Project management has always been a high-risk, high-visibility job, and today, more so than ever. The pendulum is swinging back to fixed-price development contracts where the performance risk falls upon the contractor. And more than 10,000 federal acquisition specialists, many of them inexperienced, will be entering the workforce. So that means these will become contract officers, possibly even working on your project. And lastly, the defense budget must flatten, possibly even decline, to meet major existing procurements and social entitlement programs that the federal government is funding. So what does this mean? This means fewer new starts in defense, and government scrutiny of these projects will be much higher. As a project manager or team leader, any mistake that you make, even inadvertently, could cost you your job. Solid Thinking was asked by its customers, including Sikorsky, Lockheed Martin Skunk Works, Joint Forces Command, and others, to help prepare their project managers and team leaders to survive in this new contracting environment. The resulting course is called Project Dominance, and it goes far beyond PERT and Gantt charts, beyond critical paths and progress ratios, to show you the best techniques from the real world of projects and programs. You won't find this material in any other course. Seasoned instructors with years of project management experience cut right to the chase in this course. They show you the minimum you need to know to make your projects success stories. You'll learn how to instantly recognize skewed or biased data in graphs. From an ongoing survey across the entire defense industry, you'll learn time-tested ways to work with non-technical managers and uber-technical scientists and engineers. And you'll learn when the 4 types of solid thinking, critical, creative, empathic, and counterintuitive, are best used. And several dozen failed projects and programs are analyzed to see what went wrong and to extract lessons learned for your projects. You will learn how to work with difficult customers and teammates. You'll even discover your own personality type using the Meyers-Briggs personality assessment, and you will see where and when you best fit on a project team, if you should be working on projects at all. Canadian researchers have shown that some personalities have a very tough time as members of project teams and are better suited to functional teams or service groups. So, at the end of this course, you will know where you work best and where and when to employ others. In projects today, we have 3 or 4 generations of people working side by side, not always happily. The Project Dominance course teaches you several proven techniques for easing the intergenerational conflicts and for welding people, young and old and everyone in between, into a smoothly functioning project team. Major thinkers from Albert Einstein, Dwight Eisenhower, and more recently the Israeli Air Force and DARPA have seen creativity and innovation as the keys to meeting the challenges of the future. Since project managers will lead us into that future in the Western world, the Project Dominance course provides the latest techniques for pushing yourself and your project teammates to think outside the box, and several small team exercises reinforce key techniques during the course. If you're ready to move to a higher level of project performance and leadership, if you want to dominate the project domain in your organization and make your projects pretty much cancellation-proof, then get into the next Solid Thinking Project Dominance class. Visit solidthinking.org for course details and upcoming class dates.